Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Marine, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Fusion WB675. This is a hidden source unit or black box. This will be controlled through either a Fusion remote or your compatible chart plotter. Getting into the box here, you have the unit itself. Very small form factor. Here's my hand for comparison. Underneath this divider, you then have hardware and cabling and documentation. This is a 4-zone unit, meaning you have separate volume control of 4 separate audio zones. There is a built-in amplifier that is powering zone 1 and 2. There is Sirius XM, there is NEMA 2000, of course, for connection to your chart plotter, and stereo remotes, AM, FM input, a optical input from a TV or an optical source, and USB. Underneath the cap here, you have your 15 amp fuse. There is also an Ethernet port on here for connecting into a Garmin chart plotter system or a network switch to connect multiple of these together and utilize Fusion Link, making a system of separate zone areas in the boat. You can share one source through the whole vessel, or you can have separate sources everywhere. And what a lot of sandbar people like to do is use that for connecting boats together. The Apollo series units, the WB675, 670, and RA770 are the radios to utilize Fusion Link. There is an SRX 400 as well. The 670 and 675 WB here do not have built-in Wi-Fi like the RA770. They require a Wi-Fi source, meaning your Garmin chart plotter or creating a system, which is documented in the instructions. Opening our hardware pouch here, you have a 6-foot NEMA 2000 cable, your power and audio harness for your 4 speakers and power input and output, amplifier control, as well as dimmer control. And then you have your zone inputs. Your first cable will be zone 1 and 2 with their corresponding subwoofer outputs, as well as your auxiliary 1 input. And then you will have your zone 3 and 4 harness with their corresponding subwoofer outputs. To show you the form factor of this radio, very slim. Easy to mount anywhere in your vessel. On the top of the unit, you will have some status lights here. You have your Bluetooth indicator, which is blue. Solid blue means something is connected. Blinking blue means it is looking for a Bluetooth source. You have your network indicator. This is green when you have a network connected to the network port of the unit. You have your battery as well as your health indicator. Battery will be green when your voltage is good, red when your voltage is low. You have your health indicator, which is green when the radio is operating normally. To pair Bluetooth from a Garmin chart plotter, you may select Bluetooth as a source, go to devices, and put it in discoverable mode from the chart plotter itself. Any other chart plotter on the market, you will have to physically push the Bluetooth button on this radio to get it to go into a Bluetooth pairing mode. On this as well, you do have your power button to toggle this on and off from the unit itself. On Garmin chart plotters, you can toggle this unit on and off over your NEMA or network connection. In the event you have to do a factory reset, both of these buttons held down will reset this unit. I'm Sean from Amped Marine, and you can find a link to this product in the description below. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us on our website or via the comments below. This is the WB675, and thanks for watching.